Good evening. I'm Dr. Jonathan Myers, Associate Professor of Chemistry here at Columbus State University, and I'd like to welcome you to this, our fourth and final night of our Awards Week celebration. So as you know, due to the COVID-19 crisis, we had to cancel our annual awards banquet, and so we're doing these videos in replacement of that. I want to take a moment and thank all of our friends and families and loved ones who've tuned in and watched these videos. Typically, we can only invite about 25 visitors to be with us during our awards ceremony. But as of right now, over 250 people have interacted with our videos. So I'm really happy about this because our students deserve that kind of recognition. This year, the officers of our American Chemical Society student chapter had decided to hold our banquet as kind of a Grammys type celebration, and they were going to call it the Kimmies. In the spirit of that, we had ordered these small trophies. We call them Kimmies to give out to each one of our student award winners. Unfortunately, we can't do that in person, but we're going to be mailing them out to them this year. So, award winners, if you win an award tonight, be sure to send me your mailing address so we can get you your Kimmie Award. Tonight, we're joined by Dr. Anil Banerjee and the chair of our department, Dr. Floyd Jackson, to present our three most prestigious awards. Before we jump into the awards, though, I'd like to take a moment and congratulate all of our chemistry graduates this year. You may not know this, but chemistry is typically listed as one of the top three most difficult undergraduate majors to pursue, and these students have succeeded. That shows that they have motivation, discipline, and perseverance. We're super proud of each one of you guys. Now, typically, we would have a day where we bring you in, we give you a nice CSU lapel pin, a cupcake from Gigi's, and we would have you sign the banner in the chemistry office. Unfortunately, we can't do that right now, but we want to make sure that once you graduate, you come back and you sign the banner. We don't want this whole class's name to be missing. It's really important to us, especially to Dr. Jackson. So for all of our friends and family, take a moment and help us congratulate the 2020 graduating seniors from the Department of Chemistry at Columbus State University. Congratulations again, graduates. Now is the time to present the awards. Joining us tonight is our chair, Dr. Floyd Jackson. If you don't know Dr. Jackson, he's a perennial student favorite. I've never heard anyone say anything bad about him. They absolutely love him, and students are constantly in his office getting advice and just getting attention sometimes. They love him. They love to be around him. He's an advocate both for the students and for the faculty. And I want to thank him for taking time out of his very busy schedule during this transition to come and be with us tonight to help award these videos. I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Jackson to present our Outstanding Freshman Chemistry Major Award. Take it away, Dr. Jackson.
Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Floyd Jackson, and I currently serve as chair in the Department of Chemistry here at Columbus State University. I'm here to announce the Outstanding Freshman Chemistry Major Award. This award is given to a true freshman chemistry major, and it is based upon their performance in the Principles of Chemistry sequence. To qualify, the recipient must have completed Part 1 of the sequence, lecture and lab, and received an A in both of these courses. The recipient must also be currently enrolled in Part 2 of the sequence, lecture and lab, and leading the class in performance. It is my privilege to announce the recipient of this award to one of our rising stars in the Department of Chemistry. Although we have many rising stars, we only have one award to give out, and I am honored and pleased to present this award to this freshman chemistry major. This freshman chemistry major not only has performed well in the classroom, but she has also served as a tutor. She's also served as, a lab assistant under my supervision, and also she's active in our American Chemical Society student chapter. Also, this particular recipient is a member of the Columbus State University track team. She runs the hurdles, and boy, can she run. If you ever get a chance, you need to get out and see her in performance on the track field as well. So let me get on with announcing who this person is. The recipient of the 2019-2020 academic year Outstanding Freshman Chemistry Award goes to Miss Christina Armstrong. Christina, thank you for being an outstanding student. Thank you for doing all the things that you are supposed to do to perform and excel in your classes. You've done an outstanding job, and I'm very proud of the work that you've done. And I look forward to seeing you in some of the upper division courses to see how well you perform and how you move on to the next level. It's been a delight and a pleasure watching you grow. And I just want to say congratulations. Thank you very much, and have a good night.
Congratulations, Christina. Many of y'all don't know, but she broke records during her first track meet here at CSU. We're looking forward to great things from you, both in the classroom and on the track. Keep up the good work. All right, now we're going to turn our attention to the Excellence in Undergraduate Chemistry Research Award. And joining us tonight again is everyone's favorite, Dr. Neil Banerjee. All right, Dr. Banerjee, you're up.
Good afternoon. I'm Professor Anil Banerjee in the Department of Chemistry at Columbus State University. I have the privilege to announce the Excellence in Chemistry Research Award this year. This award is given to a junior or senior chemistry major who has demonstrated an excellent talent in the area of undergraduate chemistry research. The student who has been chosen for this year's award is Tegan Angolin. Tegan is a senior chemistry major and will be graduating in spring 2020 with a GPA of 3.94. She has done excellent research in the area of biochemistry under the mentorship of Dr. Myers, and she has presented in regional and national conferences. Tegan would be going to a graduate school in the University of Georgia for doing PhD in nutrition. Tegan is also an excellent soccer player and co-captain of our Columbus State University soccer team. Tell me, in how many years we see a student who is excellent in both academics and athletics? Maybe in 10 years, maybe in 100 years. So I'll say congratulations to Tegan, and I wish her all the best on behalf of the Department of Chemistry. Thank you.
Congratulations, Tegan. Now, I'd like to speak a little bit more about Tegan and her success here at CSU. Tegan is also a member of the Honors College, and she'll be defending her honors thesis here in a couple of weeks. She's done research under my direction for the last couple of years. She also worked some time in Dr. Holly's lab, and she's been an outstanding student. Her discipline and motivation are evident. And because of that, the faculty unanimously nominated her for the Faculty Cup Award, which is the top award at Columbus State University. We felt like Tegan's unique combination of academic success and her success on the athletic field, being a captain of the soccer team, made her a unique candidate. Tegan, we wish you all the best, and you'll always be a champion to us. All right, now for the top award given out by our department, we're going to turn it over to Dr. Jackson to give the Outstanding Chemistry Major Award.
I'm here to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 Outstanding Chemistry Major Award. The recipient of this award must be a junior or senior chemistry major who has distinguished themselves in coursework, research, and service to the department, as well as in the community. However, the overall GPA does play a significant factor in the selection process. The recipient of this year's award has distinguished himself academically among her peers and has engaged in cutting-edge research in the field of biochemistry. In regards to service, this recipient has done as much, if not more, than anyone preceding her. She has served as a lab assistant, a tutor, president of the ACS student chapter, and also president of the Gamma Sigma Epsilon Chemistry Honor Society. When the doors are open in the department, this recipient is always there to assist. I cannot say more or enough about how impactful the assistance she's provided has been on the department. Without further ado, please join me in congratulating Ms. Ansley Scott Felix on being the recipient of the 2019-2020 Outstanding Chemistry Major. Ansley, congratulations. You've done an exceptional job in the department in so many ways. You are an example of what this award is all about, and I'm honored that I was given this opportunity to make this announcement. We wish you well, and we know that you're going to do extremely well in graduate school next year at Emory University as you pursue your PhD in chemistry. Congratulations, Ansley.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jackson. Congratulations again, Ansley. Now, I don't think we can say enough good things about Ansley. When we put this up for a vote at the beginning of this semester to who was going to win this award, Ansley was the only name nominated, and it was 100% unanimous vote on the first ballot. She's made that much of an impact on our department. She worked tirelessly during the transition when we had the rebuilding of Lenore Hall, moving labs in, setting up lab spaces. She helped Ms. Gonzalez set up and stock the chemistry labs. She also still continues to work there. She's been a TA. She's done research. She's presented at both national and regional conferences, and she will be defending her thesis in just a few weeks too. Now, I know I'm probably partial because both Tegan and Ansley work in my research lab, but these are two outstanding students, and we couldn't be more proud of you guys. Both of them are going to graduate school. Tegan is going to study nutrition at the University of Georgia, and Ansley is going to get her PhD in chemistry at Emory University. So if you see these ladies, be sure to give them a big hand, a round of applause, and tell them congratulations. We look forward to seeing many great things from you. All right, guys. That wraps up Awards Week here for our Department of Chemistry at Columbus State University. I want to thank you all for tuning in. I want to give all of our award winners and our graduates another round of congratulations. I ask you to please share these videos and then send the award winners a message. Email them, message them on Facebook, post a video. We really want to get the word out. Since we can't be there to celebrate you in person, we ask you to please help us celebrate them for the rest of this year. Thank you all for joining in. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos. We hope you will share them. And we also ask you to please stay engaged with us on our Facebook page and our website. On behalf of all the faculty in the Department of Chemistry, Columbus State University, thank you and have a good night. No, hell, everyone. Hell, everyone. Yeah, I'm wearing pants. It's hard to believe I get paid to talk for a living. That. What do they do? Working really well. It's a large national organization and is probably going to advanced school. Not advanced school, graduate school. Goes to difficult undergraduate majors to pursue. Aside for a little extra social distancing. American chemical. Lord help us. An associate professor of chemistry in Columbus State University's Department of Chemistry, and that was redundant. I meant Dr. Floyd Jackson. Take number 6.022 times 10 to the 23. Action. Here with us on the first of those nights. As you're probably well aware,